GFA is a community in which being uncomfortable or pushing the limits on what you believe is possible for yourself and others is fundamentally ingrained in its foundation.
Those moments are miracles, thousands of tiny little miracles, and they are what you take with you from this time, every bit as much as anything you've learned in a classroom. And they will stay with you and they will serve you just as well in your life as you leave here to begin climbing whatever mountain it is that you have chosen next.
As we begin the next chapter of our lives, let's create communities like the one we have here. We will all be navigating uncharted territory. We will be trying to make friends, find our people, settle into our niche in a both exciting and terrifying place. Be brave. Be authentic. Be vulnerable. Share your passions and your struggles alike. Be enthusiastically, unapologetically yourselves. But for now, look around at the people sitting next to you, at your families sitting before you. Hold your fingers up in an imaginary camera and take a picture. Take one last imaginary picture of this day, this moment here together, and make this moment last forever.